Progress requires change. Amazon changed the world by putting shopping online. Uber disrupted the transportation industry by making a car ride as easy as a tap of your finger. For over 50 years, events, conferences, and trade shows have worked the same way. Using the same antiquated technology, charging teams the same ridiculous prices for lead capture, and resulting in a familiar chaos and uncertainty. It takes a new perspective, from a new generation of entrepreneurs paired with never-before-seen technology, to see things differently and truly drive disruption in the events industry. It's these doers that have created the first-ever AI-powered, easy-to-use lead capture and badge scanning platform for teams that works at every single event. No more buying leads, no more badge scanning kits, no more clunky event apps, just pure connection magic. Your team's leads are yours, exactly how you want them, where you want them. Once collected, our email automation suite will instantly follow up with them while they're still hot, helping your team close deals before your competitors even make it back to their hotel rooms. Great job, team. Welcome to a new way. A new world for events, conferences, and trade shows. Welcome to Popl.